So you think you know what an annuity is? I know they get a really bad rap, but by the end of this video, we're going to give you all the facts so that you can make an informed decision based on facts and not on what somebody is telling you that really is in their best interest and not yours.
Welcome back to Navigate Your Wealth. I'm Samantha Irish.
And I'm Karen Stewicki.
For the best advice on how to use both life insurance and annuities to create a successful retirement, subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit the notifications bell to be notified every time we post a new video.
So what is an annuity? An annuity is just a contract between the insurance company and yourself. You can either put a lump sum in or you can do a series of payments into it. It will be tax deferred while it stays in there. But most important thing about an annuity is it is really just like your Social Security or pension. You see, the Social Security check or the pension check is that stream of income that comes on a regular basis. An annuity, a certain type of an annuity, can do the exact same thing.
So basically, you could buy back your pension.
I love it. Exactly. You know, we tell our clients to do that all the time, don't we? They have a 401k, they accumulate, and then they say, now what do I do with it? Buy back your pension.
Exactly.
Actually, the best way to have a successful retirement is to figure out a way to have a steady stream of income, period.
So let's back up a little bit. To understand the benefits of an annuity, you really need to understand how they're built. There are two different phases when it comes to annuities. There's the accumulation phase. That's when you're either contributing money or growing your money, very similar to your 401k. And then there's the distribution phase, and that's when you're taking the money that you have invested and grown. Now, during the accumulation phase, there's only three different ways that you can invest your money: fixed, indexed, and variable. And all three come with their own risk, complexity, or simplicity. And that's why they're great, because they can be personalized for each client.
Exactly.
Ultimately, the goal of the annuity is just to make sure that you do not outlive your assets. That's how we create successful retirements.
Leave a comment below and let us know what kind of an annuity you have or what kind of an annuity you may want to learn more about or actually invest in.
After this video, check out the video that we created titled, "When Should I Get an Annuity?" It will really help you to understand the best time to get started. The link is in the description below. At this point, you may be wondering, why should I get an annuity? And the tax advantages alone are worth considering using an annuity during the accumulation phase of your growth. But honestly, there is no better way to guarantee an income stream than with an annuity. There's no other vehicle that can guarantee that you will not run out of money. Listen, this is not my opinion. This is math and science. You get to retire when you get to figure out how to replace your paycheck. And an annuity is a great way to replace that paycheck. Ultimately, month after month, income can come to you, just like a pension or Social Security, ultimately putting more money in your pocket.
You know, we have clients come to us all the time, existing clients and new clients, referred to us clients. And thinking about one recently that came and he had, a good amount of money saved and said, I'm ready to retire.
Yeah.
Can you take a look at this and make sure everything's in the right place? And we reviewed it, and honestly, I said, you may be ready to retire, but I'm not quite sure that your portfolio is ready to retire with you. He was a little, disheveled by the comment, but here's what I said to him next. I said, look, we're going to look at this portfolio a little differently than what you were doing. You were accumulating all of these years, and the market cooperated, and you did great. The problem now is your idea of getting the money out is through a systematic withdrawal, which basically means you take a percentage off of your growing portfolio. The problem is in retirement, we can't be certain that portfolio is going to continue to grow. So we've got to take that risk, market risk, off the table. Another risk that's there is longevity risk, which means you don't know how long you're going to live. So we've got to take that off the table too. So I suggested to him, if you remember, we got to use and look at guaranteed lifetime income annuities. Of course, like many of you, he sat back and said, annuities, until he really understood them, until he got to see what that guaranteed paycheck was going to look like to replace the paycheck he no longer wanted to work for.
If you'd like to get an annuity designed for maximum income, guaranteed to never run out as long as you live, click on the link below to become our client. Also, if you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and then share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and remember, if what you thought to be true turned out not to be, when would you want to know it? Have a good day.